Well, welcome back to the English Tropical Garden, and it's July now. I can't believe it's almost the middle of July. You'll see here the gunnera that we took a cutting off of it in the last video. This is growing nicely now, and if we look through, it's quite a damp area, so we've got ferns that like it there too as well. So yeah, it's one of my favourite little spots. Got a not very happy blackbird in the background, so you might hear it cluck cluck clucking. This is our fig. They're clumping up nicely, and you'll see we've also their flowers on the Indian bean tree. It's such a pretty flower. This is the growth on this tree this year. It's pollarded at the end of the year, and then it grows like this. That's got to be at least 2.5 meters of growth. So I'm also really pleased here too with the colocasia. So it's put out 2 new leaves. That's just such a magnificent plant. It's got 2 new leaves. That's doing really well. And there's also the one up the garden that I'll show you in a minute. But the best news of all, no, not this, but this. If we look very carefully, and I was hoping, can you see just here, it's shooting from the bottom. So I've not lost this completely, which is brilliant. I'm sure that I'll find some more. So it's got 2 shoots from it. That's absolutely fantastic news. So it will change the shape of the garden, but gardens evolve, as we all know. And even better news, and I'll try and go slowly past the pond. Look at this papyrus that again thought it was gone. The leaf's enormous. Look, this is, don't know if I can, that's I've not got massive hands, but look at that. And even better news, and I'm going to see if I can get to it. Such excitement today, honestly. Right, here we go. Let's see if I can get past without. So this, just down here, I don't know if I can, just down here. Can you see? This one, this cordyline's growing as well. So here we go, look. It was all dead. And it's shooting out from the bottom. So again, that's going to evolve. I've also got yuccas here, and I might have to try and, well, they're going to jostle for space, but anyway, we'll see who wins. Oh, right, that's me out of there. And another thing I've achieved, the pond's still a little bit green, but a thing I've achieved and I'm really pleased with is I've got a really good flow now for the pond. So I've got 3 filters working now, and I'm really chuffed because I fitted this one myself, and it's got a UV light in it as well, which is working. It's only been going a couple of days, so I'm hoping that in time, I don't know how long, perhaps one of you will tell me, in time this pond will start to clear. But the fish are looking mighty happy, and they know I'm here and they're wanting some food. So but I'm going to show you a couple more things. Let's go round. Oh, here we go. So this is the red banana. I think it's Ensetia. So I can't remember, but again, but look at it, it's loving it there. So yep, survived the winter. And this, I'm particularly happy with this. This is the colocasia that Roger planted last year as a bulb, and look, it's got another new leaf coming here, and hopefully it'll just keep putting leaves out. And then in the greenhouse, here we go, we've got all the tomatoes, and we had one survivor, one banana, which I'm going to take out in the garden. It's in a big pot, so it's going to be a bit of a struggle, but that survived the winter. But I lost all of the cannas that were growing in these pots, I kept watering them in the hope that they would come, but no, nothing. So we've got cucumbers here with, there we go, flowers on them there. Got peppers here. Got no fruit on them yet, but they've got flowers, so hopefully they'll come soon. Got flower here on my aubergine, so I'm hoping that will fruit. And yeah, that's, oh, and the little bit of a vegetable garden out here. I have got a marrow and some courgettes, round courgettes, but they'll probably taste the same. Baby sweet corn. These long things here, they're Jerusalem artichokes, but they have a nice flower as well. So, and I've got dwarf beans. So yeah, should be able to pick some veg. So yeah, all in all, and look, we've still got the wonderful outlook. I do love that view. Anyway, I'll be back again soon. Speak to you soon. Please subscribe.